Hey cuties! Today we are drawing Cinnamoroll from Sanrio. So let's start. First we're going to start by making the eyes. So let's make cute little circles right over here. And I'm gonna give like almost 3-finger gap to make the second eye, and you're gonna color in them. Okay, now we're going to make the cutie little smile. That is really cute. It looks very kawaii. Now we're going to make like the face, border for the face. So we're going to make a line right over here, and we're going to stop. Because we're going to make like a heart that where you're gonna like, you can write any message inside. And so we're gonna make a line over here. And there we go. Okay, it looks weird, but it's not gonna be weird for like a long time, okay? So now we're going to make a line for the top, and now we're going to make ears. I know Sanrio, like Cinnamoroll already has ears, but I don't know. I just want to give the ear vibe. But like Cinnamoroll's a cat. No. My Melody is a cat. No. Cinnamoroll's a puppy. Okay. Now we're going to make a cutie little bow. Just like that. And now we're going to draw the ears. Oopsie. Okay. Now we're going to draw the second ear. There we go. And now it's time to draw the heart that I was talking about. Now we're going to make like the heart shape. There we go. And now we're going to draw the legs, the feet, I'm gonna draw these lines so like it represents the body, and if we don't make them, it feels like we just don't have a body. Okay. Little bit claws, and I want to write, you can write anything you like, but I want to go for I love you, Mom, because you know moms are very special, so that's why you can like, yeah. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this drawing with me, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye cuties.